My lord.
Yes,
My lord, I may be allowed to mention item number 13.
13.
In this matter, we need some more time may be granted to file counter affidavit. I'm for the respondent number 3 and I have taken consent from the other party.
Your respondent number
3.
3
Yes.
on the prayer of Mr. Omo, learned counsel for the respondent. List this matter after 3 weeks so as
Yes.
to enable him to file
Most
counter affidavit.
My lord, I may be allowed to mention a matter for unlisting.
What is the urgency?
My lord, I want to withdraw the matter.
Huh?
My lord, I want to withdraw the matter.
Is there urgency?
My lord, there is some
Unless
grammatical.
your writ petition is withdrawn, you'll not be given, I mean, your grievance will not be redressed.
My lord, there is.
Okay, allow. For withdrawal.
Yes.
Lordship, I would like to mention item number 30.
13.
Little
Only-
matter maybe
13.
30.
30.
30. I have taken the step with the justice of as per the earlier instruction. So I have to file affidavit, service of the affidavit of that
You are
day.
for
Petitioner
on the prayer of Mr.
Tinguki.
T. Nguki,
Yeah.
learned counsel for the petitioner. List this matter after 4 weeks. 4 weeks.
Obviously.
4 weeks.
3 weeks.
3 weeks. Yeah.
Obviously.
May I, Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 11.
Yes.
Your Lordship, in this matter, we will file an rejoinder affidavit. Lordship, we need some time for that.
On the prayer of Mr. M.S.
N. Hondik,
learned counsel appearing for respondent number. Your name is not there.
on behalf of Titaba.
We have Mr. Titaba, learned counsel for the petitioner. We missed this matter after 3 weeks.
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
2 weeks for filing affidavit in reply.
Yes, Your Lordship. Much obliged, Your Lordship.
May I, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 31 and 32 with the consent of the other parties. Your Lordship.
2016 matter.
Your Lordship, consent has already been taken.
Doesn't matter if you have taken a consent and both of you discuss and decide what order should be passed in the matter.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Consent is only for that the other party may not have objection for adjournment.
Yes, Your Lordship.
The allowing you to for adjournment, allowing the adjournment is up to the court. Just because the other party has given a consent, it doesn't automatically get adjourned. Don't make, then in that case, don't make a mention. Right? You
All right.
get it adjourned. Should I record?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Should I record?
No, Your Lordship, let the matter item be called upon then. If that is the case, Your Lordship.
No, certain things basic things we must understand.
Yes, Your Lordship.
That's the reason I'm pointing out. Just because you have taken a consent, don't take it for a granted that the court will give you an adjournment. All right.
Yes, Your Lordship. Deeply advised.
31 and 32.
Yes, Your Lordship.
The reason is 2015 and 16. Or is there anything that I cannot take up? Because you are relying some judgment of the division bench in some cases where I was the part of that matter. Anyway, on the prayer, Mr.
E. Payang, on behalf of Senior Counsel
P. Payang,
P. K. Tiwari.
Learned Counsel, on behalf of appearing on behalf of Mr. P. K. Tiwari.
Yes, Your
Learned
Lordship.
Senior Counsel. Why?
He's on medication, Your Lordship. And my submission, my prayer today, Your Lordship, is the matter may be listed after vacation.
That's the problem, this 2015 and 16 matter. Yes, what I said. On the Mr. P. Payeng, learned counsel, appearing for Mr. P.K. Tiwari, learned senior counsel for the petitioners. Same order in both the 31. That this matter after 8 weeks. 8 weeks.
Yes, your lordship.
Mr. The ground of adjournment is stated to be is the ground of adjournment. The adjournment has been given on the ground that the Mr. P.K. Tiwari, learned senior counsel is under serious medical treatment. Serious,
A bit serious, your lordship.
with serious medical treatment. With under medical treatment. Huh? Okay, next.
Deeply obliged.
Left, my lord.
Yes,
My lord, despite the transfer order, I did not release, my lord.
why?
My lord, I could not get instruction and I tried to.
We'll take it up tomorrow. Take the
Well-
instruction.
My lord.
And Mr. Ketar, learn counsel for the petition. The grievance, next paragraph, the grievance of the writ petition is that despite his transfer from where? Transfer from
District Hospital, Colonial,
district hospital Colonial to
General Hospital.
General Hospital,
Yes,
Zero.
Zero.
Is it General Hospital?
Yes, General.
It's some Taka something.
Gatitaka General Hospital.
Gyati Taka General Hospital, Zero.
Yes.
On when?
Uh,
On
on,
when you were transferred?
yes, my lord, 17 to 2024.
17 to 2024. The petitioner has not been released as on date. Considering the simple nature of grievances raised in this petition, Mr. T. Tagop, learned standing counsel for the health department,
Yes,
is
ma'am.
directed to obtain instruction positively. List the matter on 05
My lord.
05/09/2020 tomorrow.
Yes. My lord. This is for the Kedar review, my lord. Kedar review, my lord.
Okay. And Mr. Ketar, learned counsel for the petitioner. One petitioner.
One petitioner, yes, my lord.
Next paragraph. By filing this writ petition, the petitioner has prayed for a direction to carry out the cadre review of General Reserve Engineering Service. No, what is the Border Reserve
Engineering service.
Engineering Service within brackets CBIT. CBIT, comma, and organized group A, inverted comma, service of the General Reserve Engineering Force in terms of the guidelines of Department of Personnel and Training of the central government. List of issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. Who appears? Mr. Mr. Emmett learned counsel appears in accepted notice on behalf of Mr. M. Kato, learned DSJ, for all the respondents. List of no formal notice needed, so extra copies be furnished to the learned counsel. List after 4 weeks.
Obliged.
Yes,
My lord, the petitioner here, my lord, is seeking For a relief, my lord.
Yes, is it covered case?
Yes.
Covered case.
Since my lord, you are,
Huh?
since when this court is already interfered, my lord.
Yes, what is the
And the petitioners, my lords, who approach this court, those arms license has already been restored back, my lord, to the applicants. But in my case, it is not restored.
where you were?
Page 52, my lord.
Where you were sleeping?
My lord, I am at serial number 77, my lord, of
Of what?
page 48.
No, when other similarly situated persons approach this court, what you were doing? Will just dispose of that the similar relief should be granted to the
Yes, ma'am.
petitioner, right?
Yes.
Not Mr. N. Pada, learned counsel for the petitioner. Only one petitioner,
Yes, ma'am.
and also heard MS T. Wang, learned state counsel for all the respondents.
Yes, my lord.
All the response. Having regard to the similarity of the factual background and the issue raised, which is admittedly covered by the judgment and order of this court. Where is that? Page,
Page 61 to 84, my lord, Annexure 7.
judgment and order dated. How many writ petition?
48, my lord.
Judgment and order dated 24/08/2022, passed in the series of writ petitions. The leading writ petition being WPC 148/2022 by this court. The present writ petition is disposed of, granting similar relief as provided in the batch of writ petition. List of. Next para. The fact projected, the case projected by the petitioner is that arm license was granted to the petitioner when it was granted.
Um,
Uh,
2020.
on- by license dated 13/07/2021.
Yes, ma'am.
List of. Thereafter, the petitioner purchased a non-prohibited .32 bore rifle oblique pistol. List of. It is contended that the petitioner was possessing the said arm on the basis of the license issued to him, the District Magistrate, East Siang District has issued an order dated 28/12/2021, wherein altogether 109 armed license holders, including the petitioner, were held to be illegal. Please stop. The grounds which is stated in the said order is that during 2017 to 2018, the then district magistrate, East Siang District has issued those licenses in violation of the blanket ban imposed on the issuance of armed license by the government of Arunachal Pradesh through the Commissioner, Department of Home, by order dated 18/11/2019 and standing government order dated 02/09/2016. Mr. The armed license orders were issued in the year 2021 when the blanket ban issued by the government was in currency. Mr. Next para. It is submitted by the learned counsel for the respondent, petitioner, Mr. N. Pada, that on receipt of the order dated 28/12/2021, he has submitted the detailed explanation on 26/02/2022. And prayed for adequate compensation for the arms which he has bought already in terms of the license issued by the competent authority. In the event the arm license of the petitioner is cancelled or revoked. It is contended that in view of the order passed by the district magistrate and in view of the order dated 28/12/2021, the petitioner could not apply for renewal of his arm license, though it has been validly issued to the petitioner. List of next paragraph. It is noticed that altogether 49 persons, being aggrieved of the order dated 22/08/2022. No, 28/12/2021 have approached this court against the APN order, against the order dated 28/12/2021, wherein this court, but common judgment and order dated 22/08/2022, allowed the writ petition writ petitions, a batch of, what is that last one? Approach this court. No, approach this court in a batch of writ petition. This court. No, the batch of this, whereby this court by an order so and so, by the common judgment and order that is so and so, huh? Has allowed the writ petition. Wherever the arms licenses were directed to be returned back to the individual licenses. List of next paragraph. And then list of, continue. The relevant paragraph is quoted here in below. Paragraph 13, page 83, paragraph 13. Next paragraph. Having carefully considered the judgment and order of this court in the writ petitions within bracket supra, and on the agreement on the consent and agreement of the, on the agreement and consent of the parties of the learned council, but the parties. I'm of the view that the judgment and order that is so and so, in bracket supra, is squarely covered the case of the present petition. Accordingly, the writ petition is disposed of with a direction to the respondent authorities, particularly magistrate,
Yes, Lordship.
district magistrate Pasigat.
Yes,
He is the issuing authority.
yes.
He is the
Sir,
issuing authority.
Deputy Commissioner, Senator.
District magistrate, deputy commissioner, East Siang district, Pasigat. To provide the same relief to the petitioner is provided in the, is provided same relief is provided to the writ petitioners in the earlier, in the above mentioned judgment and order that it's so and so in the writ petition so and so.
My lord,
Accordingly.
in arms may be kindly corrected as .32 rifle, my lord, instead of .32
Revolver,
Yeah,
.32 rifle, huh?
.22 rifle.
Not revolver. That's all. Still this one.
My lord, this is pertaining to regulation of the health assistant junior. My lord, the
Yes.
basic facts and backgrounds are also the same as your lordship may kindly recollect that dental surgeon. Here, my lord,
But we cannot
Cabinet-
install the recruitment process.
my lord, apart from the policy, existing policy, cabinet has taken
So there's a
The-
act of the state. Arunachal Pradesh staff selection, something act is there. Where it clearly said that these posts should be filled up and the recruiting agency would be the board. So policy as such, that two way back in 2018, when? Policy,
17 policy.
17.
Prior to
you cannot override the act. So in that view of the matter, we'll issue
No,
notice.
Yes.
We'll issue
But
notice.
then,
You cannot restore.
my residual submission is,
We'll consider
Yes.
in view of the judgment of the Uma Devi in this matter, para 53, will not stall the recruitment because under the act, obviously policy will not
Yes.
prevail over the
No,
act.
my lord, in the act, there is always a provision to relax the power of relaxation. My lord, that provision.
But the matter of right, you cannot. They may relax you the uh, rule, but then you cannot, as a matter of right, claim for relaxation. So we'll issue notice.
No, my lord, as far as the dental matter, your lordship has issued fixing it on 12
12.
for specific comments.
Okay.
But the same order maybe can be directed.
No, dental
Because in view of repeated cabinet decisions and formation of a committee, my lord, your lordship may kindly come to pay annexure 5, annexure 6. My lord, they have formed a committee. Cabinet has taken a specific decisions.
page.
Page 33 is the cabinet decision. My lord, the 34 typed out person is 35, my lord.
Hmm.
There are some slightly illegible portion, but then
Regulation of service of contractual paramedic, you are paramedical staff.
no, we are,
Shall be still level extreme to headed by commissioner.
the cabinet is, the shall be taken up by.
There was a committee was constituted.
This, not only this, not on this, Manoj, you also may kindly come to page 36 again.
Hmm.
This I have annexed in under earlier decision also. Manoj, in pursuance of the cabinet decision that the 21/5/2022, 21.
Hmm.
Manoj, this earlier decision, earlier cabinet is 4 January 2017.
Hmm.
And again on 21/5/2021, cabinet has taken a decision. And on the basis of that cabinet decisions, this committee has been constituted for regularizing regularization of all this staffs like us only.
Hmm.
So, Malad, when
All the
the,
members who are working on temporary contractual contingent, you are contractual.
yes, Malad.
Your seniors have been regularized.
Yeah, our seniors has been regularized.
They were lucky enough.
Yes, there were 53, 36 has been one design, 35 has been this thing. Only we are left. There is no more recruitment also, further recruitment.
So the regularization was on the basis of seniority.
Basis of seniority.
Therefore, you are not equally situated to them.
Or except the seniority position, otherwise
Yes.
we are all similarly situated.
It's where they're lucky.
That the
believe,
element of luck should also be extended
Yes,
to us. Because
everywhere.
there is an indication,
Luck cannot be extended. Luck has to be earned by you only.
the cabinet wanted to.
Not even earned, it has to be automatically comes to you. Or it
Look,
has to be
that's what the cabinet.
extended by the
But that's why Malab, the government of Arunachal Pradesh
Rest
wanted
of
to do
God.
it. The cabinet has decided on 2 occasions, but this is not being implemented. So Malab, on all these points, let it again be listed together with on 12.
12th.
What?
But
think
I, according to me, prima facie, your case can be considered in a different perspective. You go through the judgment of Uma Devi, para 53, 10 years and above. Whether you falls under that
Yes.
law. So we can directly consider on the basis, instead of, disturbing the recruitment process, which we cannot also. Right, because apparently it's in terms of the act and rules. So we cannot.
Yeah.
But your case
Well,
can be
this,
considered in a,
Arunachal Pradesh Health Act, also under section 16,
Hmm.
there is a provisions for relaxation.
yes,
And
no,
that provisions was
Invoked.
invoked in
In other
earlier regulation. So let all these facts, I will bring it on 16. Let them file their affidavit before 12, at least on 10 or 11, so that we can try to Look, those,
Okay, issue notice. We'll try on 12th.
My lord, 12, I'll try, but the department whether it will be able to provide all.
You
requisite-
asked the department to file the third Mr. T. Pertin, learned counsel for the petitioners. This application has been instituted challenging the advertisement dated 17/07/2024. In respect of the recruitment of 16 posts of health assistant junior under the Department of Health and Family Welfare, Government of Arunachal Pradesh, issued by the what is that? APP, Arunachal Pradesh
Staff selection.
Staff Selection Board.
board,
Advertisement with the Staff Selection Board.
Yes.
Staff Selection Board. On the ground that no, list of. The petitioner has further prayed for, have further prayed for a direction to regularize the contractual service of the petitioner against the existing vacancies with the, as per the State Health Policy 2010.
and also the cabinet
And the-
decisions.
And in terms of the cabinet decisions and the decisions as has been provided today, other similarly situated contractual health assistant within Bricket Junior. List of issue notice returnable by 12/09/2024.
Returnable by
the-
11, Malad,
Huh?
sorry, it can be
11.
listed on, yeah, 11, sorry, listed on 12.
No, this returned by 12/09/2024. As Mr. T. Tagum, understanding Constable Health Department, enters and accepted notice on behalf of all the respondents.
Yes, my lord.
Respondents.
No, my lord, except
My
respondent.
lord, I may be given the liberty to
What?
take justice service on the
Three.
respondent number 3.
I'm representing one and two.
Number
Without,
1
without,
and 2.
yes,
Yes, ma'am.
without,
Formal notice in our exchange sessions. The learned counsel for the petitioner is permitted to take steps upon respondent number 3 or by web dusty mode.
my lord, in that case, that by registered post. my lord,
Registered
may be
with
dispensed.
AD.
No, my lord, it may be dispensed with, because I will be taking justice because time is short, so I'll do it tomorrow.
Okay, then we'll say that by dusty mode within 2 days from today. The
Yeah.
Instead, Mr. T. Tagum, Learned Standing Council is directed to file their response on or before 11th of
Yes.
uh, 11/09/2020. Just on 12.
Licit on, my lord, 12.
Item number 5.
Item number 5, my lord, this is upgradation of pay scale of post, middle post called paramedical
Issue
assistant.
notice,
Yeah,
we
madam.
cannot decide
Yes,
today. Had Mr. T. Patil, counsel for the petitioner.
Only one observation, my lord, the pendency of this may not
The-
be a bar.
By filing this petition, the petitioner has prayed for petitioners or petitioner?
Petitioner single.
Petitioner
Well, there are
has prayed for
6%. Well, we are not.
direction,
able to-
direction to upgrade the grade pay of the paramedical assistants.
Well, this is a promotional post for
under
the
requirement of-
health assistant junior who comes through this EPI. EPI is expanded program immunization.
Okay. Upgrade the grade pay of the paramedical assistants. You are paramedical assistant.
Yes.
Upgrade the pay of the petitioner as paramedical assistant under the Department of Health and Family Welfare, Government of Arunachal Pradesh. District. The petitioner also
Malat, in my second
then
prayer,
will say
because this,
the petitioner also prayed for providing benefits covered by the pay upgradation order dated 29/10/2014.
and Malat, national fixation, which was done from, with effect from 1/1 to 2016.
15. And national fixation of pay from 01/01/2006 is provided under the modification order dated 06/2015
Yes,
issued by whom?
issued by Director, Secretary,
Secretary Health and Family
Secretary
Welfare.
Health and Family Welfare,
Government
base 21.
Government of Arunachal Pradesh. Issue notice returnable by four weeks. As since Mr. Tita Gumlanu, Standing Council, enters appearance and accepted notice on behalf of respondents.
Number one, man. Respondent one.
Respond number one.
Number two, the government.
No formal notice shall be, need be served. Yes. Then in the,
Commissioner of Finance.
then in the, since Mr. T. Tagumlan is Standing Council for Health Department and Mr. Waididam, Learned Council for Learned State Council for respond number two, no formal notice needed. Extra copies be furnished during within 2 days, during the course of the day. If not already furnished, list after 4 weeks.
Obliged.
Rafiq Masi,
Yes.
will issue notice, we'll just take the response.
Yes.
There is other judgment after the Rafiq Masi.
Yes. There are judgments also by the Lordship Barua, Devasit Barua.
There is a judgment of this court also.
Yes.
That-
Notice maybe should.
Have you gone through?
No, Lordship.
Why it was?
If I rely my judgment, your petition will be dismissed. If I rely Justice Barwa's judgment, your petition will be allowed. So we'll issue notice today,
It's a notice.
formal notice.
Yes.
You find out the judgment also
I'm
after
aware of,
Rafiq Masi.
I'm aware of that.
I think we have referred, this court has referred in that case.
Okay.
Or Mr. Titi Tara, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Next para, by filing this writ petition, the petitioner has put to challenge the order that is 16/05/2024 issued by the chief engineer within bracket E/Z bracket close public public PHE and water supply department. Whereby an amount of rupees 4,33,138 is sought to be, has already been deducted,
No, Milord, that's why this impugn order has been put into challenge, Milord. Kindly subscribe it.
has sought to be deducted from the cash equivalent of leave salary on the recommendation of Director Audit and Pension Commander Naharlagun. Mr. Issue notice returnable by 3 weeks since MS Arbasa, Learned State Council enters appearance and accepted notice on behalf of all the respondent
2 to 4, Your Lordship.
All the rest.
for 2, 3, and 4.
All the rest.
No formal notice will be served. Okay, respondent number 3 for.
Lordship,
2, 3,
one
and
is
4.
secretary power, your lordship.
So,
Commissioner power.
huh?
Standing council is there for power department. Your Lordship.
So he's the main person, sir. You serve a copy
Yes.
or take a steps?
My lord, he is also, my lord, this thing, Commissioner PhD, sorry,
Yes. Yes,
You-
cannot be a commissioner.
sorry, typological mistake, I'll put it. I'll correct it.
You file a amended cost then. CIC will support.
Correct, I'll do it.
So in that case, we'll
Lordship.
allow him to correct.
Lordship.
File a cost that, I mean amended thing.
Yes.
Commission 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Lordship.
No formal notice in the suspension. List after,
My lord, kindly interfere with this,
which one?
2501/2024 letter. Till such time,
What this is?
page 23, my lord.
23.
Yes.
24.
23,
Yes, yes. Page 24, annexure 6.
24.
Yes,
Sanction
in
is by-
response to director letter, my lord.
You'll not get, if we state interfere this,
No issue, my lord. Till such time that there cannot be deduction.
so we'll just state this.
Yes. This much.
No, you'll be
At least-
deducted only 4 lakhs,
Yes.
something.
At least, my lord, that they should not be.
You'll not get other thing.
Other amounts, your lordship.
Other one you are not
Another
interested.
repetition, my lord. Offenses.
Hmm?
There's another repetition.
So are you
But-
sure?
But this is for earned leave amount, your lordship, not the pension. amount.
Fancy, there is a separate repetition. Next item, my lord.
No, that will issue a notice, but then here, if you stay this, you'll not get anything.
They are going to deduct 4,33,000 from.
So you'll get 19, you'll receive 19.
No problem, my lord. Let it be there. But if they resorting to
So you want to get it at a time.
at a time.
You don't want to in part wise.
No.
But this is not the pension amount, your lordship. I've seen it. It is an
Another
earned leave.
repetition.
Yes, another leave.
It's not the pension amount.
Yes.
So if he wants to, if he doesn't want money, what can we
Lordship.
do?
Yes.
On the, considering in the interim, as read by the learned counsel for the petitioner, come on, the impugn order dated 15/05/2024 shall remain suspended.
Much older.
In other words, the impugn order so and so shall not be given effect to. They are giving 19 lakhs to you.
In this matter also, there is notice only.
Huh?
Item 6.
Seven.
Notice, this is separate for the pension. This is
Yes.
correct.
This is against what?
This is for non-processing
Grant
of the
pension.
pensions. Yes.
Pension.
Okay, then by filing this application, so same, huh? By filing this application, filing this application has paid for a direction to the respondent number 1 and 3. They have not process or what?
No, they have not processed in view of this letter. This is correct.
Direction for grant of pension and other financial benefits. By submitting the pension papers of the petitioner to the respondent number 4.
Respondent number
That's
4.
all.
That's all.
Issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. Then say same, all
Yes,
Oh.
yes. all.
same order. Is,
No,
huh?
there won't be any stay, only notice.
If he wants, we'll stay there. Continue, what's that?
One.
We'll continue it.
Motion.
Great.
Motion will consider it. We'll complete the motion. Yes,
My lord, by this writ petition, we have challenged the tentative interseniority list of,
we'll issue notice.
Hmm.
We'll issue notice.
or my lord,
Uh,
or my lord, without interfering into the merits of the case, my lord, let the respondent authority dispose of my claim in objection, my lord, because as instructed by them.
Did you file your claim and objection within time, within a time,
Yes, within 30
within a
days.
period provided by them?
Yes, ma'am. But it's been seven months now, man. No order has been passed.
Yes.
We have ventilated all our.
Yes,
grievances.
My lord, telephonically, just I have been informed, my lord, that DPC has been held, my lord.
So,
So once DPC held, when they, if they have agreed, they have to challenge the DPC only. This is,
no, seniority would be different thing.
yeah, that is
So
why.
you
my-
issue notice. There's no point. You want that your representation should be disposed of.
Yes.
Representation, that part also, no issue.
We'll
Otherwise,
pass and then in that case, we'll dispose of. At 2, we'll dispose it of.
Okay.
May I please, Lord? This is my lord,
Yes,
rejection of tender.
yes. Why you have been rejected?
Rejected shown in the technical stage only.
Where? On what ground?
Only
What
on the
is that-
ground that
What is the rejection order?
rejection order is lordship Metantu Energia. I have participated in there is two packages in the same set of tender. I have participated in two.
Other you have been awarded.
One
What
of them I
other-
have been selected in technical and
You have been
another
not
was,
responsive. But in
not
other
responsive.
package, you have been, your technical bid has been rejected.
yes.
It could
One-
happen. It
In
could
one
happen.
package, I have been selected, but then in another, I have been rejected.
It can happen. It can happen. You have submitted different tenders, different bids.
That is same set of document what I have placed before the
Same department,
authorities. Yes.
same
That is-
division,
Yes,
same division,
same division,
same advertisement,
same advertising.
same NIT.
Yes.
Only
same
different package.
There is same set of advertisement and same package.
By the
Package one,
same,
package two.
same issuing authority.
Yes, same issuing authority. So one of them has been selected for technical. Other technical, I have to go for finance bids, but I have been not allowed to participate in financial bid in
Okay.
one package. And another package I have been allowed. This is an, my lord, not,
First, we'll see how, on what ground you have been, your bid, technical bid has been rejected. What
this
that?
is, my lord, not page 422.
422.
422. A3 is the type copy. This is package tender ID number 135292. That's one.
Hmm.
Tender reference number so and so, wherein my name is MS Eka Enterprise, no? At serial number 2, found response. Here my technical bid has been response and allowed time.
Are you challenging this?
No, I'm not challenging this. I'm
Then
challenging another package that is.
Sir, you asked the summary, whatever report,
And
where,
then,
where your technical bid has been rejected.
and then Lordship may please come to page 424.
Okay. Yes.
This is tender reference number so and so.
Hmm.
My name is at serial number 2 again,
Rejected technical.
and rejected technical.
Yes.
This is the same package and I have been accepted in,
Accepted clause 4.4. So and so, so and so, so and so. Hmm?
yes. If on, on that clause, my lord, if I have been rejected, then
No, see,
my tender
see,
has to be
this
rejected in
page,
another-
page 424 where your bid has been accepted. It doesn't say anything about the reason of acceptance. So you have no any issue. But then in the other tender where you have been, your technical bid has been rejected, it says it attracts clause 4.4.b so and so, so and so. So
That-
you'll have to justify
That is one.
whether the grounds or the requirements under which your technical bid has been rejected, you have to satisfy that they said you have fulfilled these conditions. Unless you saw that,
My lord,
we cannot interfere.
the amount which was given for tender in these two packages are similar.
What was the stage?
Contract about work started. Otherwise, the locus of the petitioner here. This writ petitioner affidavit sworn in 20th of August 2024. Then he took authorization letter to represent any legal proceeding on 27/8/2024. He was even not even authorized to file writ petition, just to represent in legal proceedings.
Yes. What have you done? Not you, your client. Ex post facto.
Everything is afterthought. No representation was submitted.
Headmaster M. Boje, London
my-
Council for the petitioner. The challenge made in this writ petition is to the, what is that, 424?
For 424.
This is of what tender summary reports dated 08/08/2024, whereby the technical bid of the petitioner has been rejected on the ground of non-fulfillment of clause 4.4 capital B within bracket small b bracket close bracket Roman 1 page 424. You just right, huh? Of the SBT. Pursuant to the, what is that? NIT? Pursuant to the
That is NIT dated 3/7/2024. For construction of road 15 kilometer,
no, what is the NIT? NIT dated
3/7/2024.
3/7/2024
Page
for
90.
construction of road from 15 kilometer of Rengtua to Rengtua dash Tafo route to Rasong under PMJ scheme under package number AR/03/01/048
Under vibrant place code.
under the Vibrant Village Program. Under the Vibrant
Yes,
Village Program. Please stop. Mr. M. Boje, London Council for the petitioner submits that the technical bid of the petitioner in other package has been found to be found to be responsive. Mr. Therefore, the rejection in the similarly in the rejection in similar package in other work is not sustainable. Please stop. On a pointed query, Mr. Boje could not submit that, so that whether the clauses under which the technical bid has been rejected the petitioner has submitted the required documents or not. Please do. Is it so?
No, my lord. I have submitted all the required documents.
Then you say that, then last line delete.
My lord, that is annexures
Mr.
consisting of
Mr.
300 pages. my lord.
Jintara, Learned Council enters appearance on behalf of all the respondents.
No, it's RWD.
Learned Standing Council,
1, 2,
RWD,
3, 4, 1,
enters appearance on behalf of
1 to 4.
1 to 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4.
I have six,
No formal
seven.
notice need be served. However, extra copies before this change, Mr. The learned counsel for the petitioners to take steps for service of notice upon responding 5, 6, and 7,
Yes.
Barrister Kursmati, I did. 2 days.
We
Within
did
2 days.
Yes.
From today. Then,
In the meantime, my lord, within the reasonable that work
considering the
agreement should not be
submission
issued.
of the learned
What
counsel.
already started. This is. He come after everything is over. Agreement, let them proceed to work with this 124.
That is
22 August. This is 22 August.
Yes,
Work order, agreement.
Letter of acceptance.
agreement next page, then later to proceed.
They'll not sleep like you.
Yes.
24.
If there is no agreement, my lord,
24. Agreement, everything is there.
for judicial review,
Considering that the work in question has already been awarded, to whom? You tell him so that he can make particular.
2, 1. GV Enterprises.
GB interview. Who is respondent number?
That's
He's also respondent number?
Yes.
rest number 5.
Do you have any grievances against them?
No, equally they have participated, but then I have been deprived.
It
with
has been
halfway.
award to the respondent number 5.
Yes.
Excellent. It is submitted by Mr. Jitar, Standing Constable RWD, that the award has already been, the work has been already awarded to the respondent number 5, namely MS
24.
Messer GB Enterprises. Mr. The agreement and proceed to work. Agreement has already been entered with. And the notice to proceed with the work has already been issued on 24/08/2024. Mr. Considering the above, at this stage, it would not be appropriate to stall the process, stall the tender. As it would be against the public interest. The issue involved is the matter relates to construction of road infrastructure. Mr. However, the award shall be the award of the contract to the respondent number 5 shall be subject to outcome of the writ petition. We'll consider. This after 4 weeks.
After 4 weeks.
May I make a mention, Your Honor?
Yes.
Your Lordship, I forgot to mention this morning, item number 19.
We'll see at 2.
Your Honor, I was asked to take steps, but I could not take steps.
So
So
we'll
this
see at 2.
same order may be continued. I have to leave for medical emergency, Your Honor. Same order may be continued.
My lord, I may be kindly allowed to mention item number 33 and 34.
Huh?
Item number 33 and 34.
32 and 34.
33, 34.
Yes, why?
Since Mr. Kato is out of station, so there is no point for the petitioner to wait for the matter to come up. So this may be adjourned for 2 weeks.
Who is for the respondent?
Respondent,
petition-
I am for the
petitioner.
petitioner, he is for the respondent.
What's there?
Uh,
What is there?
Basically, we were challenging the change of interview place from Arunachal to Delhi in the,
So what happened? It's in 2019.
yes, that was stayed.
Still going on.
His case is still going on.
You are serving, you are still serving.
Uh,
You are working.
No, actually, we are the candidate for appearing in some
That's what I'm
post.
saying.
Yes,
You are not working.
we are not working.
Things might have. Just because of this stay,
Because of the stay, they have not filled up this post.
will allow them to fill up.
But the difficulty is that all the posts were filled. Interview took place
No,
in,
that's what I'm saying. 2019
yes, ma'am,
is 2024.
24. And they can fill up, but the interview should be conducted in within Arunachal Pradesh.
How can you have that choice?
Because, my lord, the interview, this advertisement was issued.
Can be
from-
cancelled also. Have they cancelled it?
No,
We'll see. We'll see. Just wait. We'll see.
okay.
Yes, sir.
Malab, here in this case, I have received the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number 4 in the police department. And the respondent number 5 is the Deputy Commissioner Poloria. So my allegation in the present case is true. Basically on the true ground, the first is against the police for further investigation of the matter pertaining to the custodial death.
Yes.
And the allegation against the deputy commissioner is that there is a compensation system for the custodial debt, and that has not been released so far from the deputy commissioner. Therefore, my lord, the reply of the deputy commissioner is necessary in the present case. Respondent number 5. Reply of the respondent number 5 is
Is required.
required.
Okay. Yes.
Yes, Your Lordship, we have not received till date, Your Lordship.
You received, you asked for it. Or Mr. Simo, the learned counsel for the petitioner. Respondent number 4 is SP.
SP.
It is submitted that the an affidavit in opposition has already been filed on behalf of respondent number 4. List of. However, the affidavit of respondent number 5, i.e. deputy commercial be required. List of Mr. Y. Ramlan, State Council is directed to file the affidavit on behalf of the respondent number 5 within 2 weeks, just after 3 weeks.
All right.
Well, what is that other one? We'll pass it out after this, huh? Yes,
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of Interpol.
yes.
And instruct me,
Justice service you are supposed to take. The learned counsel for the petitioner is permitted to take justice service upon respondent number 5 and 6, 4 and 5 within 3 days, just after 3 weeks.
Item number 8.
8. Who is that? What is this?
Item number 8. Upon disposal of the claim of victim.
Where is that your the Representation.
My lord, it is a case 50 much. Annex or 7.
50.
50.
Claims and objection.
Yes. Because we are instructed to file claims and objections if any.
Where it is?
It is a page 47 mine, annex or 6. May I read mine?
Hmm.
Subject to all concerned, subject draft provisional seniority list of DAEO for claims and objection. Sir oblique madam, I am directed to forward herewith a draft provisional inter-se seniority list, annexure A, of district adult education officer for claims and objection of the person concerned. Therefore, all the DAO of the education
Within
department-
30 days. You have filed it on
The 6th February.
February, okay. You will dispose it to directed to consider your claims and objection.
Yes.
Right.
Yes, because we have ventilated all our grievances, my lord.
Heard Mr. N. Pada, learned counsel for the petitioners. How many? Two?
Yes.
Two petitioners. And also heard Mr. T. Tagum, learned standing counsel for Standing Council Education Department, Government of Arunachal Pradesh. Appearing for respondents, all
No, my lord, up to 3, my lord.
for respondent 1, 2, 3. Next paragraph. Having regard to the no, considering the prayer made in this writ petition. To the extent of consideration of the objections, claims and objections filed by petitioners. That is 06/02/2024. Come on. I deem it appropriate that no prejudicial cause to the petitioner, the private respondents. Having regard to the proposed order. With regard to the proposed order passed list of passed at the motion itself list of expert. The petitioners are working as district adult education officer within bracket, in short DAEO. Under the Education Department, Government of Arunachal Pradesh. List of, according to the petitioner, the were superseded in regulation and promotion by the junior DAO is by the officers who were junior to them. System. Next paragraph. For promotion to the post of principal from amongst the headmaster oblique vice principal oblique DAEO a draft seniority, inter-seniority list in respect of DAO has been circulated by dated 19/01/2024 for filing claims and objection. List of. It is submitted by the learned counsel for the petitioner that the petitioners have filed their claims and objection by dated 06/02/2024 as the authority has issued a letter to all the DAEO to submit their claims and objection, if any, within 30 days from the date of issue by circulating the draft provincial list of DAEO. In the draft circulation list, inter-seniority list, the name of the petitioners, Baram Shiram and who?
And one
Murtem.
Mami Murtemgo.
Huh?
Mami Murtem. Petitioner number two.
Petitioners have been placed at serial number 7 and 8. Below the, huh?
Yes.
Below whom?
Below this, respondent number 4, who is at place at serial number 4, 4 and
4, 5,
6. Yeah, 4, 5.
4, 5, and 6. Huh? Respondent number 4, respondent number 5, 6, 7. Huh?
Yes.
Respondent number 6, 5, 6, 7, namely Ocho Jomo, Emin Rumi, and Haridhar Puncho at serial number 4, 5, no.
Only respondent number 7's name is reflected in the seniority list.
And
although rest of the private respondent, my lord, they are senior, their names are also not reflected.
Are they DAO?
Yes.
DAOE?
Yes.
DAEO?
Yes.
Why their name is why their names are not here?
They are already promoted to some higher grade.
Then, if their name are not there, why you should make them party unnecessary? Well, then in that case, you said below the
Respondent number 7.
respondent number 7, who are junior to the petitioner. Mr. Mr. T. Tagop, learned counsel for the petitioner, and standing counsel submits that. He has an instruction that the DPC has already been convened.
My lord,
Convened, meeting over,
my lord, it's hard, it's informed matter like this.
submits that the authorities have informed that the DPC has already been conducted. Huh?
My lord,
DPC already conducted.
my lord, that since the officially only on telephonic, my lord, that part may not be reflected, my lord.
Then why you made a submission?
My lord,
Anyway, in that case, Chittagong Land State Council has no objection for a direction to consider and dispose of the claims and objection filed by the petitioners. Next one, having considered the simple nature of the grievance, simple nature of the prayer made by petitioner for consideration and disposal of the claims and objection filed by the petitioners pursuant to the letter dated 1901/2024, seeking claims and objection to the draft provisional seniority list of DAEO, I deem it appropriate to dispose of the petition. Accordingly, the writ petition is disposed of with a direction to the respondent authorities, particularly who will dispose it of? Who will dispose it of?
1, 2, and 3. The one respondent.
Respondent number 1.
should be commissioner, they have not made a commissioner.
That's it.
Should be commissioner. my lord.
Particular respondent authorities
Hmm.
to consider and dispose of the claims and objection dated 06/02/2024 filed by the petitioners within a period of 30 days from today. This writ petition stands disposed.
Deeply honored.
Yes, sir.
My lord,
Affidavit, no affidavit.
yes, my lord.
Why?
We have at least
Chief
your,
Angul Learned State Council granted has
3
prayed
weeks.
for his phrase for his granted 3 weeks time to file affidavit.
Interim order is there.
Interim order for the list will continue.
Much of it.
Yes, madam.
Lordship, affidavit only from respondent two. Other respondents have not filed affidavit.
What about who are they?
We have
Other-
filed, my lordship. Respondent number 2 have.
ADC has filed.
Then
Respondent one is the RWT. Has not filed. 3 is also executive engineer. Then 4, 5 and 4, 5 to 6 and 7 are private respondents.
what is this, madam?
Lordship, for construction of road,
Hmm.
they have diverted from the DPR
Hmm.
and encroach upon my private land by shortening the length of the road. I have the LPC also of that land. So I have made objections.
Construction of road.
Yes,
You don't want road or what?
I won, but they could have done by the original DPR in which they're not touching my land. 1.5 kilometers
So
have
if
been
the
shortened.
original DPR is adhered to,
Yes,
it doesn't touch it.
yes, yes.
Then the other party whose land will be affected, they will also claim.
They have not
Should
claimed,
this-
that has been decided by the villagers.
Yes, why? The ADC, who is the authority, engineer? Department. who's-
RWT.
RW is the, Mr. Tarak is there. Anyway, we'll allow them to file.
Yes.
MS Endang and Learned Council for the petitioners. MSK Malana State Council has submitted that she has filed an opposition affidavit in opposition has been filed on behalf of respondent number 2. However, the other respondents, PWD and RWD,
RWD only.
other respondents. And the private respondents have not filed their
Private
Coun-
respondents
counter
have
affidavit.
not even entered appearance.
notice has been given.
Yes,
Notice is served.
yes.
Okay. Other respondents, including the RWD. Rural Works Department has not filed them. Further 3 weeks' time is granted to the respondents to file their affidavit.
Lordship,
You apprise him.
there's interim order that may be continued.
It's there.
Yes,
Interim order passed earlier shall continue.
oblige.
Four and five.
We have filed, Your Lordship.
Who is for petitioner?
Sir, Bhattacharya, Your Lordship.
Yes, what is your stand?
Your Lordship, we have formed the
You
committee.
file on behalf of whom?
Your Lordship,
4, 5 and 4, 5.
yes, Deputy Commissioner, Your Lordship.
What is your stand? Anyway, none appears for the petitioner on call. Mr. Wairam, London Council for the London State Council is missed after 4 weeks.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
It's to be done.
My lord,
Affidavit,
respondents have filed an affidavit, Your Lordship. However,
it says
I've
it's,
not been able to.
or
get
reply,
in- Yes, but then, Your Lordship, I've not been able to get in contact with the petitioner, Your Lordship.
huh?
I've not been able to get in contact with the petitioner, Your Lordship.
Why?
My lord, this matter was actually listed in the principal seat and then it was later on transferred here, Your Lordship. And
Further 3 weeks' time is granted to the London Council for the petitioner MSD Tamuk to obtain instruction from her client.
much obliged, Your
MS
Lordship.
Arbashar State Council is present.
So here we have taken steps on respondent number 9. But the report has not returned yet.
Favorite service for.
Your Lordship, I have a small issue with regard to the affidavit file, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I'm for respondent number 2, 3, 5, and 6, Your Lordship.
Yeah.
Though I have got the entire brief of the case along with the documents, Your Lordship. However, my learned counsel, Ms. G. Atta has filed an affidavit on behalf of 2, 3, 5, and 6, Your Lordship. So if I may be allowed to withdraw that affidavit, Your Lordship, and file afresh along with the documents, Your Lordship.
You have already filed an affidavit.
Yes, though I was representing in that for this particular respondents, Your Lordship. However, there might have been an inadvertent.
Sort it out and come back.
I have been instructed, Your Lordship, along with all the documents, Your Lordship, in the affidavit filed by.
Respondent 3, 4, 5. Yes. You are for?
Respondent number 3. Respondent number 2 is the DGP.
Hmm.
Respondent number 3 is the SP rowing. Respondent number 5 is the deputy SP rowing. Respondent number 6 is officer in charge rowing police
Okay.
station, Your Lordship.
So who GAT has filed on their behalf
Yes, Your Lordship.
without authority?
Your Lordship, the signing authority is, there is an
Who has signed the affidavit?
sub-divisional police officer Dambuk, Your Lordship.
Then
Otherwise, because their affidavit does not contain all the documents, Your Lordship.
you file an additional affidavit.
In that case, I'll file an additional.
In that case, if it is otherwise certain things has not been brought, you file an additional affidavit. Saying that earlier additional this affidavit you could not bring all those things.
Yes.
You file an additional affidavit. What's there?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes,
Your Lordship, also, Your Lordship may kindly allow us to take steps by means of dusty. Respondent number 9.
Okay. Where is that office note? Is there any office note? Okay. Office note dated 03/09/24 reflects that the service report in respond number 9 is still awaited. Mr. Gyatso, Mr. T. Gyatso,
Yes, sir.
Blunt counsel for the petitioners to take press steps for service of notice upon respond number 9 by Dusty.
Dusty, sir.
By Dusty mode. MST Learned Council, Learned Additional PP
Additional PP, Your Lordship.
submits that the affidavit filed on behalf of respondent number 2,
2, 3, 5, and 6.
3 and 5 and 6 does not brought all the materials which is required to be filed, required to be placed before this court. Therefore, she submits that she may be allowed to file additional affidavit. Prayers allowed. List MS Q14 1. Still respond for prayers allowed. List this matter. List the matter after 4 weeks.
Lordship here, conducting also Mr. Romji Rakshak. Lordship, he was present in the court.
Let
but
this matter be listed after 3 weeks on the prayer of.
But Lordship, fresh
Mr.
steps.
Okay.
Allow us to take fresh steps.
You have not taken steps only.
Yes.
Office note dated 03/09/2024 reflects that no steps have been taken by the petitioner. Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner is allowed to take steps, allowed to take steps for service of notice affordance from 1 to 3 within 2 days. This after 4 weeks.
Alright.
Item number 20 and 21.
Yes. Election petition. What is this?
Your Lordship, this IA has been filed seeking leave for shifting of all the electronic voting machines of entire Portugal TGST Assembly constituency from strong room of Amik Ringia Hall to DEO's strong room, Lordship.
Issue notice?
Lordship, we have no objection in regards to IA number 143.
143.
Yes, where they are
For shifting.
shifting the VPAT and EVM machines
Of
from
all the
one is from.
electronic voting machines, Your Lordship.
We have no objection with that. They can shift. As for the IA
Just wait
number.
one by one. 143 is
Regarding shifting, Your Lordship.
what shifting?
Shifting of all the electronic voting machines from strong room of Amik Ringia Hall to DEO's strong room, District Election Office strong room. We have our own strong room, Your Lordship. So I may be allowed to shift all the EVMs, Your Lordship.
Okay, Election Commission.
Lordship.
Okay.
Because currently the electronic voting machines are lying at Amik Ringia Hall, Your Lordship.
Amik Ringia Hall.
Lordship.
Why you want to shift it?
Lordship, Amit Bingya Hall is a public hall.
Achha.
So we did not have, at the time of election, we did not have a strong room of our own. So now it is completed. So for public interest, we may be allowed to vacate that auditorium for public. That's the only prayer.
Okay. Or Mr. Her name or your name?
Her name.
And Anju, learned consent for the applicant. Your respondent number?
In main election petition, I'm representing RA, Your Lordship.
Anyway, applicant election commission, right?
District election officer.
District election of officer.
Lordship.
Applicant district election officer. And Mr.
Yes, so that's
Tigatsu
for in the IA respondent number 1.
opposite party number 1. And 2 and 3. 2, 3.
Who is present candidate? One is
Lordship. Respond number 2, Lordship.
Respondent number 2. And respondent number 3. Anyway. You are for?
My lord, I am appearing in item number 21.
No, 21 is what? Ah,
21 is main election petition.
ah. Why is appearing on IA and why not in election petition? You are respondent number 1.
in the IA I'm the respondent number
Who is IA in respondent number 1?
return candidate, the election petitioner
Okay, okay.
and the election petitioner.
Okay. Respond number opposite party number 1. Then you are 2, opposite party number 2, M. Doji. Then you are Badang Tank, opposite party number 3.
I am respondent number 1, my lord, in IA number 145.
Where in 143? By filing this application, the applicant has sought for a permission to shift all the electronic voting machines within bracket EVMs, public BVPATs, bracket close, of entire 44 Teju within bracket ST Assembly constituency from current strong room at Amik Ringia Hall, Teju, to district election officers strong room, public warehouse, Teju, Lohit district, Arunachal Pradesh. As per, you have been instructed.
Lordship.
Election Commission of India has instructed you.
Yes, Lord.
As per instruction of the Election Commission of India. You are directed.
No. So far this case is concerned, it is by DEO.
No, you have said that for further use as per instruction of the Election Commission.
There are two IAs. One is
Where on 143? No, what is the instruction of the Election Commission of India?
Election Commission of India. The instruction is that all those constituencies wherein there is election petition, all the EVMs are to be kept intact.
No,
With an thinking that there might be requirements for EVMs.
okay, so
Now we are seeking permission from Honorable Court wherever election petitions, petitions were filed. We need to seek permission from the Honorable Court to take out all those EVMs in those segments where the question of EVM is not there. And if there is any question, then that will kept till final disposal. That's it.
as per the instruction of Election Commission of India, the prayer not being opposed by the learned counsel for the parties, you have no objection.
No objection for transfer only. There is two IA now. There is some confusion, Lordship.
Just wait. We're on
Yes, Lordship.
143.
143.
We'll go to the next IA after this. What is this? And then the learned counsel for the opposite parties have raised no objection to the prayer of the applicant so far as this relates to shifting of the EVMs of the BBPH from the current strong room to the district election officer strong room at Teju. Next prayer. Having considered the submissions and the grounds for shifting grounds of the grounds in the grounds taken in the present application, deem it appropriate to allow this application. Accordingly, the applicant is permitted to shift the EVMs oblique BBPATs of entire of 44 Teju ST Assembly constituency from current strong room at Amit Ringia Hall, Teju, Teju to district election officer strong room, Teju Lohit district, Arunachal Pradesh. That's all. The IA is still disposed of. Then allowed and disposed of, huh? Then IA
145
125 is for 145 is for what?
for releasing, Your Lordship.
What release?
Releasing of EVMs, Your Lordship.
So you have an objection.
Objection. Lordship,
Why?
Because this EVM and VPAT, the records may be needed for adjudication during the trial of the hearing.
If we permit them, how can
They will, Lordship, they have released the electronic for further use.
for release of electronic machine for further use which are kept in the strong room under custody of district? Okay. Release will have to hear.
Yes.
After shifting
That-
only you want to release.
If
Further use.
if any segment is disputed in related to EVMs, then we are ready to keep that. But those segments or those
So
voting
in that
vote,
case,
vote-
we will allow them to file an objection. Why?
Yes,
to
yes,
not-
yes, yes,
Ah,
yes.
Heard Mr. A. Apang Leonard and Anju Leonard counsel for the applicant in 145, huh? And also heard. No, this is an application for permitting release of EVMs oblique BBPATs for further use, which are kept in the strong room under the custody of district election officer, Teju Lohit district. Mr. Issue notice returnable by week, 1 week. returnable by a week, huh? Mr. T. Getso, learned counsel, entered appearance, has accepted the notice on behalf of the respondent number, opposite party one, oblique election petitioner, and Mr. M. Dozie, learned counsel for opposite party number 2. Respondent number 2. No, opposite party number 2. Mr. K. So for respondent number 3. Opposite party number 3. And then notice said the steps be taken for service of notice for respondent number 4. Next paragraph. On the next date, the learned counsel for the opposite parties are granted a week's time to file objection if any. This after the week.
My lord, in this petition,
Yes,
there is some technical defect.
yeah,
So I may be allowed to withdraw the same
Mr.
with a liberty to file fresh petition.
Esquire, learned counsel for the petitioner. Learned counsel for the petitioner,
Petitioner,
applicant.
petition applicant.
Press for withdrawal of the application with a liberty to file a fresh. Press is accepted, the IA stands, this IA only. IA stands dismissed on withdrawal with a liberty as prayed for.
Obliged.
May I please, my lord?
Yes.
You know, I found the IA to implement the secretary land management as a respondent number 3, man.
Respondent in what?
In the writ petition,
In
man.
the red person. Yes, Secretary Land Management.
It's a my lord, land acquisition matter, my lord. And the award was passed in the year 2016 itself. And now we're seeking for, my lord, payment of the award or alternatively, my lord, the land or if they're not paying the compensation, my lord, land has to be return back the land, my lord.
So
Now
what is that, Secretary Land Management?
Start the copy, my lord.
Any objection? No. Please allow.
My lord.
Or Mr. Arsake, learned counsel for the petitioner. And learned counsel for the applicant petitioners. Applicant, bracket, stock, applicant. The petitioner, sorry. Applicant, stock, petitioners. Next paragraph. No, and also MS, and also heard MS K. Wong, learned State Council. Next paragraph. By filing this application, the applicants, how many? 6 applicants have sought for implement of the secretary, Department of Land Management, Government of Arunachal Pradesh. In the connected writ petition, connected WPC number 501 of 2022. Why he was not made a party only as treatment of secretary so and so as respondent number 3 in the connected so and so. The learned State Council raises no objection, has raised no objection to such prayer for implement. Next paragraph. Having considered that the grievance raised in the connected writ petition being WPC 501 of 2022 relates to land acquisition by land acquisition and the notification has been issued by the Secretary Land Management for acquisition of the land of the petitioners. Comma. For what?
For construction of Anand-Pani hydroelectric project.
For construction of Anand-Pani hydroelectric project under Itarin Circle of Dibangmali district, Arunachal Pradesh, comma. I deem it appropriate to allow this application for implement of the Secretary Land Management, Government of Arunachal Pradesh. Mr. Next para. Accordingly, the Secretary Land Management, Government of Arunachal Pradesh, is permitted to be implemented as respondent number 3 in the connected WPC 501 of 2024. The IA stands allowed and disposed of. In the writ petition, in view of the order passed so and so, in the IA so and so, the Land Council for the petitioner to file amended course title. Please have thereafter the rest to issue notice on filing of requisites for service for. No, in that case, you may furnish the copy to the.
Yes, but instead of amended, my lord. I will
No, you
furnish
just
that-
file an amended course title.
Yes, it cost that amount, yes.
One page.
One page.
No, in view of the order so and so, passed in IS so and so, the Land Council petition to file amended course title. List of. Thereafter, the Land Council petitioner to furnish copy of the whether notice should be issued or no, it's not necessary.
Not necessary, just serve the copies, my lord.
To furnish the copy of the writ petition to the State Council as well as London Standing Council for Land Management Department. Yes. Item number 26.
Here, my lord. My lord, pursuant to my lord, the order of this honorable court, I have taken steps to the newly implemented my lord, respondents, my lord. And for which matter we filed one dusty affidavit also, my lord. My lord, main grievance is, my lord.
But then who is respondent number 6?
It's the Bank of Baroda, my lord.
Yet to be received. We'll wait for some time. And I will take
My lord, we have filed a dusty affidavit also.
for respondent number 6.
6 and 7.
6 is something. You have filed in respect for respondent number 7.
6 only.
Who is respondent number 7? Okay, branch manager,
Branch
Bank of
manager,
Baroda.
manager.
Bank of Baroda, head office, Baroda, Bhavan, RC, that. This has been, notice is yet to be received. ID card is yet to be received back for respondent number 6. So we'll record this. As per office note, that is 0309/2024. ID card in respect of respondent number 6 is yet to be received back. Yet to be received. List of. Next para. Mr. Though the office note further reflects that no affidavit has been filed, no affidavit regarding proof of justice service upon respondent number 7 has been filed. Come on, Mr. Arsikia, Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that he has filed the affidavit with regard to the, where it is? Today. Arsikia Learned Counsel petitioner submits that he has filed the affidavit regarding proof of justice service upon respond number 4, which is taken on record, placed up accordingly. The service is completed in respect of respond number 7.
That, the main grievance is that matter. Since 2022 matter, the petitioner has not been receiving the salary, paid the salaries matter by the authorities matter. Petitioner is a regular executive engineer matter. By a due selection process, he was deputed in the Economic Municipal Corporation matter, and subsequently matter he was absorbed in the municipal corporation.
So
matter.
why this bank is the party?
Bank is party because my lord, I have taken a housing loan matter
Okay.
from the salary head of my salary head matter. Because of non-payment of salaries matter, I cannot continue the EMIs matter.
Okay.
That's why my lord, the bank has requested the deputy commissioner to attest my building matter and the
Okay.
sale of matter. Though I am not into nitty-gritty of these things, matter. Otherwise deputy commissioner.
So by this petition, what you are seeking? What
Basically,
you
I
are
am
praying?
seeking my lord the salaries matter
Where are you now?
at Pasighats matter.
Yes. Who is the respondent? Who has to pay the salary?
No, it's the government matter. Because under section 34 of the Municipal Act, my lord, for a moment, my lord, kindly see page 33, my lord.
Your Honor, I am for respondent number 3, Director ULB.
Huh?
Respondent number 3, Director ULB.
Yeah.
My part here is, Your Honor, as per since the salary of the present petitioner is from grant in aid, and it was regularly released to the IMC, and the petitioner was posted in IMC, Municipal Council. So now it is up IMC.
Who is IMC? Who has to pay the salary? Yes. You pay the salary, we'll see the dispute.
Lordship, this morning we have received the instruction from the IMC Lordship that
Saying
we are
what?
complying Lordship.
Huh?
We are complying Lordship. We have already issued this.
You have
forwarded-
paid the salary.
No Lordship.
Then
In that event, my lord, they have to pay, my lord, the interest, my lord, in the salary, my lord.
interest part we'll see, but then
Because my lord, I have made a specific environment, my lord. There is no, my lord, departmental proceeding against me, and there is no order of withheld of the salary, my lord. I am a regularly absorbed employee of the IMC, my lord.
what is that? Let us see. What complaint you
Lord-
had?
Lordship kindly may be given 2 weeks time to take proper instruction from the IMC Lordship. Just this morning, Lordship, we have received that letter, Lordship.
At the base, my 1 week's time may be given, my lord. My.
Okay, Lordship.
It's a matter of salary,
Yes, my lord.
otherwise. Unless you put them under suspension or something like that, you cannot stop the salary. Is not it? On the prayer, and then Mr.
K. Tabang.
D. Omo
Okay.
appears for respondent number 3. Mr. K.
Tabang.
Tabang,
Next Wednesday,
Learned Council standing, Learned Council for the respondent number
4.
4. oblique IMC, Pasigar.
Lordship, I see eternal lordship.
IMC Tanagar has spread that, has submitted that he has received certain instruction for which he pressed for listing, which he pressed for a week's time to file file affidavit in the file affidavit. Mr. Prayers allowed. List after.
Well, a fixed date may be given, my lord,
List
on
after-
11th
after a
or
week.
on
When?
11th. my lord.
Lordship for epidemic may be given 2 week lordship.
My lord,
For filing
instru-
affidavit also.
Proper instruction will.
And
go, my
will
lord.
pass an interim order to immediately release their salary.
Oh, Lordship.
Will grant you 8 weeks.
Okay.
You pay the salary forthwith. Okay.
No,
Or else we'll take it up after a week. We'll find out what's there. You file your response, what's there? You have received the instruction.
Lordship. This was Lordship sudden instruction, Lordship.
Huh?
Lordship sudden instruction, this was Lordship.
Sudden
Lordship-
instruction.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship
That's
kindly
why
may be
we're
given.
granting 1 week time.
Okay,
to
Lordship.
file. 1 week, huh? This is the method after a week.
And a fixed date may be given, my lord, on 12th, my lord.
Well,
Problem. Leave it.
In the meantime, my lord, I am sorry, my lord, in the meantime, let the, my lord, state government also take the instruction, my lord. It says that, my lord, he has released the amount to the IMC, my lord.
yes, you also file. The last para, before that, before the last. The other response are also directed to file their response.
On the record, releasing of the fund.
If you can really pay the this thing before 1 week so that we may not pass
Lordship.
orders which may be which may not be tasteful for you.
Lordship.
Okay.
Item number 27.
My lord, private respondent number 5, service report of private respondent number 5.
What is this
See.
matter?
Transfer matter.
Who are you?
Uh,
Are you not a legislator now? Hmm?
yes, ma'am.
You are a
Oh.
legislator now.
My lord?
Are you not a legislator now?
No.
This is another appa.
Yes, another after. Bank staff.
What transpired?
My lord, transfer order issued by who is not competent to issue transfer order. Are they filed their affidavit? I'll file response.
Private service report.
Yes, in respect
For
of private
another
respondent.
3 weeks. List after 3 weeks.
Yes, my interim order will complete.
Interim order was the earlier cell to continue.
Okay.
To continue.
Item number 28.
I'm appearing for the petitioner. I have taken.
Private service reports for
Yes.
further 3 weeks. List after 3 weeks.
Stay order may be continued.
Interim order passed, earlier shall continue.
Item number 29.
My lord, I may be allowed to.
Mr. M. Doji, learned counsel for the petitioner. No, office note dated 03/09/24. It reflects that steps have not been taken by the petitioner for service of notice upon response number 1 and 2. 1 and 2, huh? Mr. M. Doji, learned counsel for the petitioner. On the prayer of Mr. M. Doji, learned counsel for the petitioner. List this matter after 4 weeks, 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Mr. In the meantime, the learned counsel for the petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon response number 1 and 2. Within 3 days.
Well, interim order is there, it may be.
Interim order passed, earlier shall continue. Yes. Heard Mr.
Odugong, madam.
Odugong, Learned Counsel for the petitioners. Not, or, just delete it. Mr. Odugong, Learned Counsel for the petitioners, submits that he has an instruction to withdraw the writ petition. Therefore, he prays for withdrawal of the same. Prayer is accepted. The writ petition is then dismissed on withdrawal.
With the file a praise, my lord.
With
File a
with the
praise.
liberty to file a
Yes,
prayer.
my lord.
Then you, as an instruction to withdraw the writ petition with a liberty to file afresh wisdom. Prayer is accepted.
Obliged.
Rest of the writ petition stands disposed of, dismissed on withdrawal with a liberty as preferred. With liberty as preferred.
Obliged.
Item number 33 and 34.
There's no developments, further developments
No, my lord.
in the meantime.
No, my lord. I have no instruction. The respondent would be better to.
What is the affidavit? What affidavit they have filed? What is the affidavit? Affidavit. What is their stand?
Their stand is that.
Who is respondent number 3 and 4?
Respondent number 3 and 4, my lord, it's.
Filed by one Dr. Kenjum Bagra.
No, my lord, that affidavit was, my lord, amended. Actually,
Amended
yes, new affidavit filed,
by
sworn by Dr. Rominder Teran. Because that person was not authorized to swear the affidavit.
this is
Here, what happens there, my lord, in, on a
I think
260,000.
I'll not take up this matter. List this matter before any other appropriate bench without me. Somebody has filed an affidavit, maybe in the contempt or not. I mean, which is related to me. My nephew. I don't know, he may not be head and tail of the matter, but he has signed somewhere there.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes. Some other day. Today I have some difficulty.
Obliged, lordship.
I'm here for another 4 weeks. Any day,
Lordship, can it be?
after 2 weeks. Huh?
Next week?
Next week, maybe bench may change. Or next week?
Yes.
Next week, okay.
Next week, on the date?
After 12th. No, any date.
13 then. Lordship.
13.
Obliged.
On the joint prayer of London Council for Parties, list this matter on 1/3/09/2024. Yes. Because this will take some time. Suppose
The facts are.
the facts needs to be, I mean,
I'll try to Lordship, otherwise,
yes.
make a
For-
better list of days.
if it's possible, more
Along with the-
more conscious, which is not relevant, just
Along with the big numbers.
yes. No, whatever is there, what is not required for consideration, whatever you may have pleaded,
Yes,
whatever is not required, just phase it out.
Yes.
Phase it out.
yes, I will.
You just give the requirements.
Yes. In this
Because
case,
there is direction of the Honorable Supreme Court, sir. As far as possible, it should be conscious and precise and concise. So in certain cases, unnecessary we burden because we feel it has to be recorded. Otherwise, there's a complaint from the bar that my submission has not been recorded. But if you agree that you may have pleaded, but if it is not required for consideration of the issue, then we can page it out. There's no problem.
a list of this, but I'll try to make it.
Yes, yes. 36, what is this?
My lord, this is regarding illegal detentions and handcuffing. My lord, had partly heard, I think.
Yes.
Yeah, last occasion, the private respondents took time to file affidavit.
Yes.
Yes.
My lord, I on behalf of Uttam respondent for, I was about to file affidavit, but due to some reason, I could not file today. So,
What is the reason?
due to some personal reason, he could not
What
file
reason?
today.
What is personal reason?
Lordship, he just instructed me that,
Is it so secret?
so Lordship, matter may be list on 6th.
On 6th, on the prayer of Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel appearing for Mr. Uborit, learned counsel for the respondent. List this matter on 6th, 06/09/20. It's not only listing, you have to file the affidavit.
Item number 37.
Lordship, item 37, I am appearing for the petitioner virtually.
37.
Yes, Your Lordship. This is a writ petition challenging a service tax order. The pleadings are all complete. The department has filed their affidavit in opposition. We have filed our rejoinder. This, as per the earlier order, has to be taken up for final hearing at the admission stage. The Lordship would like to keep it on a specific date on which the matter can be finally argued. The pleadings are all complete, Your Lordship.
It's already listed for hearing. Anyway, on the prayer of learned counsel for the parties, on the prayer, Mr.
Sabari Rajan, Your Lordship.
Sabari
Rajan.
Rajan.
Rajan, yes, Your Lordship.
S. Rajan.
Yes, Your Lordship. Yes, Rajan.
On the prayer of Mr. S. Rajan, learned counsel for the petitioner, and not being objected to by the learned counsel for the respondent. Are you for respondents? List this matter after 2 weeks.
Your Lordship, the connected matter for the subsequent period is coming up on 18th of September. On the same party, I have filed a petition for the subsequent period. Can it be listed on 18th September, Your Lordship?
Listed on 18.
Your Lordship, there is an interim order granted.
Interim order passed earlier shall continue.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Not obliged.